Hey, it's Danielle, and welcome to today's trade review. Today, I'm going to be talking about RGTI, which is a quantum computing stock, which had a big move today. And that's good news for me because I'm in it. Currently, right now, it's up 32%. You can see this huge candle with a ton of volume. We also had a daily squeeze, which was, by the way, the original reason why I started getting into the stock. I bought long-term shares in one of my kids' accounts, but then I also bought the long options in the mastering the trade room as well. So I'm going to manage this position, and let me show you what I'm going to do. Number one, here's the thing. When something's going out like this on high volume at the end of the day, the market's going to close in 11 minutes, by the way. Generally, this means that people are stuck. They are trapped, with 20% short float. There's a lot of short sellers that are not having a very good day when this thing's up more than 30%. So the thing is that it is likely to gap up tomorrow. And if you look at the longer term chart patterns, the thing is that it's not that far away from making, at least retesting the previous high. So it's one of those things where it's like, okay, how far can it go, right? Well, since today it broke out above this level right here and it's met the 1272 extension, your next target is going to be the 1618 extension. That's going to be 1839. But then after that, it's a retest of this level. So you just have to look at the longer term chart patterns to see, is there a reason that this thing can keep going? And I'll tell you that the main thing that stands out to me, number one, there's this weekly squeeze. So that's a really powerful signal that could bring us all the way up into here, which let me look at that value. Let's see here. So that's going to be like $25 a share. So there's number one, that signal. But the other thing that I noticed with this stock is that it was profitable last quarter. So prior to that, losing money, losing money, losing money, losing money, losing money. And then boom, they have a profitable quarter. That really changed things for this name. And what you'll see is that, not only has it been moving really well, since that quarter, you can see that it rallied going into the report, it rallied after the report. Now it's exploding on good news before another report that's coming up on the 7th. So these are all the reasons why I like the stock. Right now, I'm in this name, and I think I'm just going to have to scale out of some of it because I'm, making good money here. And you just don't really want to be in a situation where, let's say, for example, it gaps down and it's down like 15% tomorrow. So if I look at this and I say, well, what should I do with this? How should I manage the trade? First of all, you just want to look at the long options that you have on. I have a long option at the $11 strike. And so these options right here, they were going for $2.16, and now they're going for $5.87. So great gain on that. At this point, those are going to be a delta 93. These ones right here are going to be a delta 83 at the $13 strike. And you can see that instead of being up 171%, they're up 206%. So the reason why these are up more is because they were out of the money at the time. And so those out of the money calls are generally going to go up on a higher percentage basis than the in the money calls are, but they're going to be cheaper. So those calls were only $1.37 a piece. So what I'm going to do with this in order to scale out is I'm just going to close these guys right here. These ones are the ones that are pretty deep in the money. And, it's possible that this thing keeps going tomorrow, but I think that I at least need to scale out. So I'm going to work on trying to sell those right now. And then another way to just continue being involved in this name is basically just to add some more options. So looking at the options chain, we could add these Delta 48s at the 18 strike, I think would be a good pick. That would get us up above, that would just get you slightly up above the 1618 retracement level. These Delta 50s for $2. I mean, I think that would make sense too. And those are almost in the money. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy 2 more of these. So I'm basically just going to roll out my strikes and get like a higher strike here. So that is how I'm managing this position. I'm going to keep on these $13 strikes for the moment. I think it'll probably gap up again tomorrow, and then I'll go ahead and take those off. But that is my trade review. If you want to join us in the Mastering the Trader room where we're trading these names, click on the link below, and I'll see you there.